Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm EVO with arm. This isn't just any underwater drone, it's designed for serious exploration. It boasts immersive 4K video recording, capturing stunning footage of the underwater world with its high-resolution camera. The detail it captures is truly unparalleled, giving you an incredible view of what lies beneath the surface. One of the standout features is its extended operating range. With a robust remote control system and a generous 100-meter cable, this drone allows you to explore deeper areas that might otherwise be inaccessible. It's also built tough, capable of withstanding temperatures from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various environments, from icy lakes to warmer tropical waters. Powering this exploration is a long-lasting 9,000 mAh battery, providing up to 4 hours of continuous operation. That's plenty of time to scout out interesting spots, conduct detailed inspections of structures, or simply observe marine life without constantly worrying about returning to the surface for a recharge. The drone offers intuitive FPV performance, giving you a real-time, first-person view of its journey through seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. You see exactly what the drone sees on the included 6-inch screen, making navigation and discovery incredibly engaging and precise. And then there's the special feature that really sets it apart, the robotic arm. This adds a whole new dimension to its capabilities, allowing for direct interaction with the underwater environment. Whether it's retrieving small objects from the seabed, manipulating equipment, or even gently interacting with certain elements, the arm provides a level of functionality beyond simple observation. It's a powerful addition that expands the drone's utility significantly for various tasks. Weighing in at 8.81 pounds, it feels substantial and well-built, suggesting durability for underwater use. The remote system includes that crucial 6-inch screen, keeping you connected to the drone's perspective and controls. This generic brand drone, in its clean white finish, seems designed for both enthusiasts and professionals looking for a capable and versatile underwater tool. The combination of high-quality video, impressive range, durable build, long battery life, intuitive FPV, and that functional robotic arm makes it a compelling option for anyone wanting to explore the underwater world in a more interactive and detailed way. It truly offers an advanced way to experience the depths.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.